Big Brother 27 has been one of the most unpredictable and explosive seasons in the history of the show, with shocking blindsides, power struggles, shifting alliances, and some of the most memorable personalities to ever enter the Big Brother house. From the very beginning, fans knew this season would produce unexpected storylines and fierce battles for dominance inside the house. Yet among all the chaos, drama, and endless strategic maneuvering, one house guest has consistently stood out both in gameplay and presence: Ashley Hollis. As the finale approaches and the pressure continues to mount, many viewers and fans strongly believe that Ashley deserves to walk away with the grand prize of Big Brother 27. Ashley Hollis's journey in the Big Brother 27 house has been anything but ordinary. Coming in as one of the more underestimated players during the early weeks, Ashley quickly proved she was far more than a background character or just another vote in the house. Her ability to read situations, align herself strategically, and adapt to the twists and turns that production threw at THE Players has cemented her reputation as one of the sharpest players of the season. From week 1, Ashley built social capital that allowed her to survive without being immediately targeted, a strategy that has carried her into the later weeks with surprising strength. What sets Ashley apart is her unique blend of social intelligence and competitive edge. While some house guests this season have relied solely on winning competitions to secure their safety, Ashley has balanced winning when necessary with building strong relationships and alliances that keep her name off the block. Her ability to play both sides without getting caught has been impressive. Time and time again, we've seen house guests attempt to float through the game without making waves, but Ashley has done the opposite. She subtly influenced decisions, shifted conversations, and planted seeds had changed the course of the game. It's no wonder many fans believe she has played one of the most well-rounded games of the season. Ashley's social game has arguably been her strongest weapon. Throughout Big Brother 27, she has cultivated trust with a wide range of house guests, including those who didn't always see eye to eye. When alliances crumbled, Ashley was often one of the only players who could maintain strong bonds with members on both sides. This allowed her to gather information, gain valuable insight into plans, and make decisions that would benefit her long-term survival. Even when she wasn't in power, Ashley was often in the center of the action behind the scenes, quietly guiding outcomes without needing to be the face of the decision. This low-key influence has kept her target smaller than some of the more outspoken or dominant players, yet her impact has been undeniable. In addition to her social strategy, Ashley has proven herself as a competitor when it truly mattered. While not the most dominant competition beast of the season, she has managed to secure wins at pivotal moments. These wins weren't just about keeping herself safe, they were perfectly timed to shift the direction of the game or save her closest allies. Fans have noticed how Ashley doesn't waste energy trying to win every single competition but instead chooses her battles wisely, a sign of a smart and calculated player who knows the importance of conserving strength while maximizing results. Another reason why Ashley deserves the grand prize is her resilience. Big Brother is not only a game of strategy but also a test of endurance, patience, and emotional strength. Living in the house, cut off from the outside world, surrounded by people who may be plotting against you, is not easy. Many house guests over the years have cracked under the pressure or let their emotions get the best of them. Ashley, however, has shown remarkable composure. Even when things didn't go her way, she rarely let her frustrations boil over in a way that could hurt her game. Instead, she found ways to recalibrate, reassess, and re-enter the game with a new approach. That ability to stay calm under fire has allowed her to survive moments when others may have spiraled out of control. Ashley's game is not without risks, and that's part of what makes her journey even more compelling. Throughout the season, she has had to take bold steps that could have easily backfired. Aligning with certain house guests, shifting allegiances, and voting against the house when it made sense for her game all carried potential consequences. Yet Ashley has consistently come out on top, proving that her risk-taking instincts are not only bold but also effective. Her willingness to make tough decisions demonstrates that she is not just coasting to the end but actively shaping her path to victory. What makes Ashley's case for the grand prize even stronger is the competition she's up against. Big Brother 27 has featured a wide cast of house guests with varying levels of gameplay. Some have relied too heavily on alliances without making independent moves, while others have become targets for BNG too aggressive. A few have coasted by on luck or the protection of others. In comparison, Ashley has carved her own lane. She has played her own game while still managing to keep allies close enough to support her when she needed it. This independence is a crucial factor that juries often consider when awarding the grand prize. The jury management aspect of Big Brother cannot be overlooked, and Ashley seems to have positioned herself well in this area too. Throughout the season, while making moves that benefited her game, she rarely burned bridges so completely that they couldn't be repaired later. Even those who were evicted because of her influence often didn't see her as the sole person responsible, a testament to her subtlety. If she makes it to the final two, Ashley has a strong case to present to the jury. She built trust, won when necessary, played socially, and outmaneuvered her competition without becoming the obvious villain. Another aspect fans appreciate about Ashley is her authenticity. In a game often filled with lies, manipulation, and deception, Ashley has managed to walk a fine line between strategy and honesty. She has been transparent with certain allies when necessary, ensuring they felt valued and respected. This authenticity has earned her loyalty, and it's one of the reasons she has avoided being the target of mass campaigns to evict her. Viewers often connect with house guests who remain genuine while still playing hard, and Ashley has struck that balance remarkably well. It's also worth noting the entertainment factor. Big Brother is a game, but it's also a reality show designed to engage audiences. Ashley has provided moments of humor, relatability, and heart throughout the season. She has given fans someone to root for not just because of her gameplay but because of her personality. Her diary room sessions have been insightful, often highlighting her thought process and allowing viewers to appreciate the depth of her strategy. This connection between Ashley and the audience has only strengthened the case for why she should walk away with the prize. As the finale approaches, Ashley's path is not without challenges. There are still players in the game who see her as a threat and would love nothing more than to evict her before she reaches the final two. The pressure is intensifying, and every decision carries monumental weight. Yet if Ashley can navigate these final weeks with the same intelligence and composure she has displayed throughout the season, she has a legitimate shot at becoming the winner of Big Brother 27. Big Brother winners are often remembered not just for their victories but for the way they played the game. Looking back, it's clear that Ashley Hollis has embodied the qualities of a true champion. She is strategic without being cutthroat, likable without being passive, competitive without being overbearing, and resilient without being robotic. She has shown what it means to play a balanced game, and she has done so in one of the most competitive seasons to date. In the end, Big Brother is about outwitting, outlasting, and outplaying your opponents. It's about building relationships, making moves, and seizing opportunities when they arise. Ashley Hollis has done all of this and more. Whether she ultimately secures the grand prize will depend on the final competitions and the decisions of the jury, but there is no denying that she has earned the respect of fans and fellow house guests alike. If the Big Brother 27 jury is looking for someone who played a strong, strategic, and authentic game, then Ashley Hollis is the clear choice. Her journey has been filled with resilience, risk-taking, and calculated moves that have brought her to the brink of victory. Fans will continue to debate the merits of each finalist, but for many, Ashley stands out as the most deserving of the title and the $500,000 prize. Her story this season is a testament to the idea that in the Big Brother house, it's not always about being the loudest or the flashiest, it's about being the smartest, the most adaptable, and the most consistent. And Ashley Hollis has proven she is all of those things and more. Big Brother 27 has delivered countless unforgettable moments, but perhaps the most satisfying ending of all would be watching Ashley Hollis crowned THE winner, standing as proof that playing smart, staying authentic, and adapting to every challenge is the true recipe for success in the Big Brother house. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.